In this episode, we present Kantanka cars to Ibrahim Mahama. Today, we are not just talking about cars. We are talking about Ghanaian engineering, African innovation, and practical solutions for industries that move our nation forward. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to this special episode. If this is your very first time, please subscribe and be part of this family. And please like this video. Most of my videos, I see so many of you watch them, but you don't like them. Like them so that the algorithm will push it to so many other people. This message is specifically or specially directed at Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, a distinguished Ghanaian businessman, founder of Engineers and Planners, owner of Dzata Cement Limited, and a man whose work spans mining, construction, logistics, heavy-duty operations, and large workforce management across Ghana and West Africa. Mr. Ibrahim Mahama represents industrial strength, productivity, and vision, and that is exactly what Kantanka Automobiles represents. In this episode, we are showcasing selected Kantanka vehicles, explaining their engineering strength, performance, safety, and comfort, and most importantly, how these vehicles can directly benefit your companies, your projects, and your workforce. Mr. Mahama, your companies operate in demanding environments, mining fields, cement production sites, construction corridors, long-haul logistics routes, executive management operations. These environments require vehicles that are durable, powerful, safe, fuel efficient, cost-effective, and easily serviceable locally. Kantanka vehicles are not just made in Ghana. They are designed for Ghanaian terrain, African climate, and African industry needs. Let us now take you through some Kantanka vehicles that align perfectly with your business ecosystem. The Kantanka Automobiles SUV is a statement of engineering excellence and executive comfort. It comes with a 2.0 TGDI turbocharged engine, an 8-speed CVT automatic transmission. It comes with a maximum speed of 210 km per hour, 380 to 385 Newton meters of torque, Euro VI emission standard. This means Kantanka Automobiles 7-seater SUV has strong acceleration, smooth long-distance travel, efficient fuel usage, environmentally compliant operations, and is also perfect for executive movements, site inspections, long-distance business travel. When it comes to its safety and stability, the Kantanka Automobiles is built with ultra-high strength cage body, ABS and EBD braking system, electronic stability program, hill start assist control, traction control system, 360 surround view system. This means safety on rough roads, construction zones, wet and uneven terrain. Speaking of its comfort and prestige, inside the Kantanka Automobiles comes with a luxury leather seat, oversized panoramic sunroof, electric AC with touch panel, keyless entry and start, cruise control, and electric tailgate. Mr. Mahama, this vehicle is ideal for company executives, project managers, international partners visiting sites, and also corporate image representation. Next is the Kantanka Omama off-road pickup truck, a vehicle designed for tough work environments. It comes with an engine capacity of 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine, 136 horsepower, 340 to 360 Newton meters of torque. It comes with a fuel consumption of 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers, Euro IV emission standard. This engine is fuel efficient, low noise, high torque, reliable for long operational hours. It is built for heavy duty work. It is a 4x2 and 4x4 drive options. Comes with high ground clearance, double wishbone front suspension, leaf spring race suspension, rear differential look. This vehicle is perfect for mining sites, cement plants, quarry roads, construction terrains. When it comes to its safety and control, it has ESC, TCS, EBA, Hill Start Assist, TPMS, front and rear parking radar, and a 360 panoramic view. It also comes with a 9-inch LED screen, GPS navigation, Bluetooth, ergonomic leather seat, 8-direction electric driver seat. Mr. Mahama, the Omama Off-Road is an excellent choice for site supervisors, field engineers, operations managers, security and logistics team. Next, Mr. Mahama, is the Kantanka Obrimpon, which is a true industrial workhorse. It comes with a 2.3-liter intelligent turbo diesel engine, 380 Newton meters of torque, 8-speed automatic. It is an 8-speed automatic transmission vehicle, a 4x4 compatibility, and has a fuel consumption of 8.8 liters per 100 kilometers. It is built for heavy loads, long distance haulage, industrial transport. When it comes to its chassis and strength, it comes with a double wishbone suspension, 5-link rear suspension, rear differential lock, minimum ground clearance, that is 230 millimeters, and has advanced safety, that is level 2 driving assistance, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, 360-degree 3D panoramic camera, ESP, TCS, EBA, HAC, HDC. And speaking of its interior, it has a 10-inch Android MP5 system, CarPlay, voice recognition, wireless phone charging, heated seats. This vehicle fits perfectly into cement distribution, equipment transport, corporate logistics, high demand operational duties. Mr. Mahama, the Kantanka for Quad ATV dump truck is a specialized utility vehicle. It comes with a 350cc water-cooled engine, 4-wheel drive shaft drive, and has 1,500 kg of load capacity. It also comes with hydraulic damping system. It has a climbing ability of up to 35 degrees. It is perfect for quarry support, farm operations, site maintenance, internal logistics. This vehicle reduces reliance on heavy trucks for small but frequent tasks. Now, we come to the final vehicle, and this is very intentional, Mr. Mahama. The Kantanka K71 PRO SUV. Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, this is where leadership meets appreciation. Kantanka K71 PRO has 1.5 CVT turbo engine, 156 horsepower, 230 Nm of torque, Euro VI emission standard. Its safety include ABS, EBD, ESP, TCS, hill hold control, a reverse camera, TPMS, multiple airbags, and it has leather seats, electric driver seat, modern infotainment system, spacious interior, elegant exterior design. Mr. Mahama, you employ thousands of hardworking Ghanaians, men and women who work long hours, contribute to national development, help build Ghana's economy. Imagine rewarding your dedicated workers, managers, and outstanding performance with the Kantanka K71 PRO. Not only would it motivate excellence, build loyalty, strengthen your corporate culture, but it would also support Made-in-Ghana industry, create jobs, keep capital within the Ghanaian economy. Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, this presentation is not just about vehicles, it is about partnership, national pride, industrial efficiency, empowering Ghanaian innovation. Kantanka Automobiles stands ready to serve your companies, from the mines to the cement plants to executive offices and even to the homes of hardworking employees. Remember, Kantanka is not just any car, it's our car. Once again, to anybody that watched this particular video, I'm pleading with you one more time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Kwadwo Safo Studios. Thank you very much. Bye.